Glam Dolls, welcome back to our channel. I have an exciting video today because I got my very first Juvia's Place palette. I bought it to try out. Oh, look, you can see my ring light in there. I bought it to try out because obviously there's been a lot of hype around this brand for a long time. And I never got into it, and then I ended up getting a really good deal on the mini Masquerade palette, which is a beautiful palette. Let me just show you guys. So here's the palette, and here's the inside. Look at those colors, you guys. So vibrant, so beautiful. And this is a palette that I feel like I could use every day. I will say when they first came out, I was into more neutrals and whatnot, and they do have very colorful palettes. And so seeing all those bright colors kind of scared me and turned me off, which is why I never got into it. And plus I was ordering from other brands that I knew worked. When you buy from these online brands that you can't swatch or try on, it's kind of hard because I don't like wasting my money. So when I got this really good deal on it, I was like, okay, you know what? Now's the time. I'm going to try it. I'm so glad I did because I am completely freaking shook by the pigment. Like, completely. If you follow me on my social medias, I did swatch them and show swatches. Oh my God, they are so gorgeous. I'll go ahead and link the swatches that I did right here. Okay, you guys, so I just got my first Juvia's Place palette, and I got the mini Masquerade, and I am freaking shook. Look at the pigment on these. Do you guys see this? Are you guys seeing what the heck I am seeing? Look at those. Look at those colors, how rich they are. I cannot wait to go home and put them all over my eyes. These are flipping bomb.com. As you can see, the swatches were so rich and pigmented, and I barely dipped my finger into them at all. Like, at all. And it makes me feel so stupid for not freaking getting into it earlier, because these pan sizes are, standard sizes, but their other palettes have much larger pan sizes, and the price on these is phenomenal. Like, most of their palettes are like $20, you guys. And because they're so rich, you're barely going to dip in and use any at all, and so they're gonna last you forever. But I really liked this palette in particular because there were so many neutral shades along with pops of color that, if I wanted to feel a little bold, I can throw in these pops of color, but I could stay neutral. This is a palette that I can definitely use every day. And now that I have this one, I'm gonna go buy all of them because the quality is just unfreaking real, you guys. So if you have an opportunity to get your hands on any of these, I highly suggest it. I love it. So I'm going to be doing a look with it today, and I'm going to be including as many colors as possible. So I don't have anything else to get into today except that, and we're just going to go ahead and dive in to the look. All right, see you guys in a sec. To start with our transition shade, I'm going to take Zulu with a very light hand into the crease and right above it. Again, barely dip into these because they are super duper pigmented, so you're going to want to go in with a light hand. Next, I'm going to take this gorgeous magenta color called Zobo, and again with a light hand because we want to build up as we go, and just putting that into the crease and slightly below the transition color and blending that out. And then I'm going to take Makita, I believe is how you say it. It's this beautiful purple color, and I'm going to focus that in on the outer corner, the outer lower corner. I'm not going to bring that in. I'm just going to focus that right there, and then kind of drag it in just slightly. And again, just keep it right in that bottom corner. And now I'm going to cut my crease with Tarte Shape Tape and this little lip brush from BH Cosmetics. And I am going to go slightly above my my crease only because I want the colors to stand out, and I have hooded eyes. So yes, I know I'm covering up most everything I just did, but we're going to go back over it again. And now we're going to set that down with some airspun. You can use anything you want to set it. I'm just going to set it down because we're going to use some really bold colors. And then I'm going to go back in with the purple and just deepen up the outer corner. And I did go back in with that magenta color as well over the crease. I guess I forgot to film that clip. So yes, we're just deepening up the crease, and because it doesn't have a really dark color, I'm going in with a dark purpley brown. It's got a purple underbase from this Morphe palette, and just putting that in the outer corner. And for the main part of the lid, I'm using Zola, which is this gorgeous shimmery light blue color. It is absolutely stunning, and I'm just packing that on the full lid and taking that to almost where the purple meets, and just deepening that up more. And then I'm going to take the color Dahlia, which is another gorgeous shimmery blue, and I'm sweeping that between the sky blue and the purple to create like a gradient effect, and it just looks so stunning. And now for the highlight, I'm going to take Giza, and I'm also going to sweep that on the inner corner a little bit just to lighten up that sky blue. And now for the lower lash line, we're going to use Zobo over most of the lower lash line and sweep that up into the outer corner. And then I'm going to take the purple Makita and use that on at least about a third of the lower lash line on the outer part, and sweep that up into the upper outer corner. And then I'm going to take Dahlia and sweep that on the rest of the inner part to where it meets the highlight, and just marry the purple and the blue together. And now I'm going to line with this eye pencil I got in BoxyCharm. I forget the name of it, but you can use any jet black liner. And I'm going to line the upper and lower lash line and use my Revlon Super Skinny liquid liner to create a wing. I was feeling that this look needed a dramatic wing. Since we are doing some super bold colors, this would be such a beautiful look for like a Mardi Gras party, which is already past now, I know, but it would have been gorgeous. So yeah, I'm just creating the wing, and then I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise and coat my upper lashes and lower lashes to get them ready for some falsies. I've recently fallen in love with this mascara again. I stopped using it for a while, but it is back in action. So now I'm going to use my Ardell Faux Mink lashes and my Kiss lash glue, which actually isn't too bad. It's not the greatest, but it's not too bad. And just plop these babies on. I wanted some dramatic lashes. And for lipstick, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Lilac Liquid Lipstick. I was going to go with a nude, but I ended up wanting something a little bit brighter to match the brightness of this look. I figured might as well go hard. And I'm going to top it off with the Jouer Rose Gold Lip Topper just to give my lips a little more definition, make them look a little more luscious, and just focusing that on the center points of my lips. And this is the final look, you guys. Oh my God, I am so shook by how amazing this palette is, and I'm sad that I did not jump on the Juvias Place bandwagon a lot sooner, because these are some of the most pigmented eyeshadows, and they are such a great price. Normally I don't do a lot of colorful looks, but I will definitely be doing some more now that I'm feeling a little more bold. But you can do everyday looks with this palette, which I will do. I will film an everyday look and show you that this palette and their palettes are so wearable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will definitely be seeing you guys Wednesday with a more wearable look. So have a great rest of your day. Bye guys. Love you all.